So we're in line here over at Stitch's Great Escape for this purple Passholder event. It seems like it's a thing just to have the privilege to buy merchandise, food, and certain purple things. This is not the last of its kind. I think there's going to be more of these. And I think we're supposed to meet Minnie Mouse. That's really what I would probably do most based on some of the prices that I just saw. But it looks fun. There are a lot of people here, a lot of annual pass holders. Hi, Linda.
Hi, John.
Are you purchasing that?
That was worth the trip here.
Are you planning on buying anything purple?
I'm planning on it.
What?
The Loungefly backpack?
Oh, how much is it?
I'm not sure. 90 bucks, I think.
Ooh, okay, better be nice. You went crazy for Purple Day. You got your purple drink, your purple water bottle, and this is the purple bag for Linda. You might have to get it. I think you're right. And what a model, let me tell you.
Thank you for being here. We appreciate it.
A lot of great stuff.
You're playing with the purple cotton candy a lot. Thank you so much.
I mean, it's just really fun to play with.
And what is this?
This is the cake pop that is Mickey shaped.
I like them. Thank you very much.
Definitely.
I did partake in a purple drink. It is basically Welch's grape soda, delicious, with, what do they call them, boba balls? And I guess some dry ice or something that makes it bubble like a... It was really good, actually. It was Welch's grape soda. And Linda got a cake pop.
Not for me. I'm saving it.
Linda, you just ate 3 of them. Who are you kidding?
John.
I did.